Hello, good people of the internet. My name is Hexa, and welcome back to my channel for another Lush Kitchen unboxing. Now, this is two back-to-back Lush Kitchen unboxings already. This doesn't normally happen, but Lush recently changed the way that they ship their Lush Kitchen boxes. So because Germany specifically, of all the European Union countries, was being a jerk and taxing people for their boxes, Lush decided to send the Lush Kitchen boxes for Germany from a distribution center in Germany. All the other ones I think are coming from the UK still. But so basically the last box came from the UK, so it came really late, and this is the first box coming straight from Germany, so it arrived to me really early. That was a lot of unnecessary explaining, but suffice it to say that in future, I probably will not be doing two back-to-back Lush Kitchen unboxings, but it arrived, it came early, I'm really excited to open it up, so that is what we're gonna be doing today. If you've seen my Lush Kitchen unboxings before, you'll know that I like to start with what was on the vote, what I voted for, and why, but if you're not interested in that part, you can check out the timestamps in the description box and skip ahead. So let's get into this. In the vote for the month of August, the first thing we had was the Sicilian Bath Bomb. Bask in the warmth of Mediterranean citrus groves, inhaling the rich juices of mandarin and tangerine and drifting into the seasons of summer as you bathe. I definitely love citrusy scents and fresh scents. This sounded really fun, really nice, fresh, summery, zingy, reviving, so I definitely did vote for that. Old Blue Skies Shower Gel. Oh my god, the color of this is just fabulous. Herbal and earthy, there won't be a cloud in the shower once this patchouli and a libidinum cleanser arrives. With fresh lemon infusion and the underlying spice of cinnamon leaf oil, things really are looking up. Now, there are a few scents in here that I'm a little bit skeptical about. I'm not a super huge fan of the smell of cinnamon, but I do really like scents that have a little bit of patchouli, that have kind of that musky, temple-y, herbal, earthy kind of quality to them. If this is well balanced as a scent, then I'm gonna really love it. And if you don't know, I love anything with hearts, rainbows, and blue skies with fluffy clouds. So the name of this shower gel and the color of it and everything just really reminded me of that, of white fluffy clouds and a beautiful blue sky, so I had to vote for it. Next was the Strawberries and Cream Bath Bomb. Pick your own summertime duo of sweetly scented strawberry with a luxurious cream filling for vibrant, softening waters. I did vote for this despite the fact that I actually don't super love the smell of artificial strawberry. I thought I wanted to maybe take a chance on the smell of strawberry. I know a lot of people are huge fans of the Yummy Mummy scent or the Roller scent, which have a lot of strawberry kind of notes in there, but I really don't like that scent. I find it too sweet and too saccharine. But I voted for this bath bomb anyways because I think it's so beautiful. It's so cute. And I also wanted to see if maybe I would like that strawberry scent in lighter doses. If it's a bath bomb and it's diffused in a whole tub of water, then maybe it wouldn't be so strong and overwhelming. So yeah, this was a bit of a gamble, but I did vote for it in case maybe I would like it. Grass Bubble Bar, another one that looks really cute. Lay back in a fresh green sunlit meadow with sandalwood, bergamot, and neroli lifting the mood as you sink into the warm citrusy foam. I did not vote for this. We've received quite a few grass scented products in the Lush Kitchen. First we had a shower gel, which I didn't really like. I found it to be just too grassy. It was a little too kind of nauseatingly grassy for my taste. But then we had I think it was a grass body lotion that I did really like the scent of, but I don't know. Overall, I think with grass, it's a bit of a hit or miss kind of situation. It's not one of my favorites, so I decided to opt out of it this time around. Ginger Body Lotion, an elegant blend of lingering rose and exotic jasmine with a feisty ginger kick. This luxurious almond oil lotion will soften you up in style. I did not vote for ginger body lotion. I'm not a huge fan of the smell of ginger, and I also thought like the rose and the jasmine and the ginger and everything, it would smell like the jasmine in Lush products sometimes has a tendency to give them like a grandma sort of scent, which I don't really love. And then yeah, ginger, I'm just not a fan, so I didn't think that I would like this and I didn't vote for it. And lastly, we had the Ice Blue Shampoo, which is very exciting. Keep hair and scalp in mint condition with tingle-inducing spearmint and peppermint oils. Lathering up with this enlivening shampoo feels like diving headfirst into the cool ocean. I've talked about this a lot. I have a bit of like a flaky, itchy scalp situation, and I love trying new shampoos. Anything that's like really minty or exfoliating I find is very just like comforting and soothing on my scalp. So I did vote for this, and I also love the color of it. I think it's so beautiful, so I really hope that it is in the box. But now it's time to actually find out what we got and open it up. I have seen some pictures, so I've gotten a few spoilers, but I don't remember everything that's in the box. I just know, I think there's one thing that I'm pretty sure is in the box, but other than that, I'm pretty clueless. That was surprisingly easy to open this time around. Okay, this is already the third box in a row that does not have like a green sort of info card on the top, so I'm thinking maybe Lush decided to do away with that. I don't know. Everything's packed very nicely. I see nothing, but the box smells very nice. Might smell a bit gingery though, a little bit spicy, a little bit citrusy. I don't know. Let's get in here. I'm very excited. First up, ooh, yes, we did get the Ice Blue shampoo in a mini bottle, which my feelings about shampoo are that I would prefer to get full sizes so I can actually try them out for a longer time. And if my hair or my scalp really likes it, I would just like to have a bigger amount of it. But I am very, very glad that this is in here. And as predicted, the color is absolutely gorgeous. This shade of blue is just so, so beautiful. Now let's give it a sniff. Smells a lot like Freeze shower gel, which we got last summer, I believe. Yeah, it's nice. It's simple. There's nothing super like amazing and unique about it. It just smells, yeah, minty, pepperminty or spearminty or whatever minty. And nice. I love the simplicity of this product. I actually think I'm gonna really, really enjoy using it. I wish we had gotten a bigger quantity of it, but that being said, this gets a solid 9 out of 10 from me. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be a fan. Next, digging around, and I see something tiny and something that's a bath bomb, but let's do the tiny thing. Oh my god, that is amazing. Oh my god, I'm so happy about this. Salted caramel lip scrub. Oh my god, this is gonna be so good. Ugh, oh my gosh, that smells so good. Wow. Scent-wise, this is fabulous. I love, love, love food scents, dessert scents in products. So this is like right up my alley. But I do have to test it out actually on my lips first, because there have been instances where it smells amazing and foody, but the taste is like terrible. And I low-key want this to also taste good. I know you're not supposed to eat it, but like you can, so you know. All right, let's give this a whirl. It's scrubby. Nice and scrubby. It's a little bit loose. Feels nice and oily, hydrating. Now, for the taste. Not bad. Taste-wise, it's okay. It has a little bit of like a waxy, oily sort of element in there that's not very nice, so the aftertaste is a bit unpleasant, but the initial taste does have that nice like dessert-like quality to it. So overall, for a product that is not actually technically intended to be eaten, this does taste and smell very delicious. So I'm going to give this a 7 out of 10, maybe an 8. Let's be generous and give it an 8. I really love salted caramel, so I'm really, really happy about this product. Let's see, what do we have next? Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, I think, ooh, yes, I'm pretty sure this is the Sicilian bath bomb. I think. Certainly smells like it would be. It smells citrusy, fresh, refreshing, zesty, zingy, very exciting, lemony. It's not my favorite scent in the world. It does have like a little bit of a weird bitterness somewhere in there that is not hitting my nose in the most favorable way, but overall, it's pretty nice, pretty decent. It's a very simple looking bath bomb, nothing crazy. It just has the Lush logo stamped onto the top of it. And you can see some like little flower petals or something coming out of the bath bomb a little bit, which is really cute. And it's a nice, fun touch. I'm sure those will come out in the bath when you use it and just like float on the water and feel like you're at the spa or something, which is really, really fun. This is a solid bath bomb. This is nice, classic, simple. I would give this a 7 out of 10. Let's move on. Dun, 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 dun. We've got something blue in here, and then, ooh, yes, oh my God, yes. So this is the one that I did see on Instagram. I was pretty sure it was gonna be in here. It's the Old Blue Skies shower gel. This color looks just absolutely gorgeous, but from the looks of it, I think this is gonna be like a really thick shower gel, if I'm not mistaken, like similar to, if you guys remember Nana had like a really, really thick texture, and this kind of looks similar in the bottle. Like it might just have that like gooey, really thick kind of jelly-like texture. Hopefully it's a little bit better than Nana, because with Nana it was literally so gooey that like you would squeeze it, and then when you like let go, rather than the shower gel just like coming out, it would like back inside the bottle, which was pretty crazy. Let's give this a sniff. I really, really hope I like the smell of this, because so far the color is blowing me away. I feel like this is one of those scents that needs to be actually used in the shower for all of the different notes to come out. It smells very complex, and I feel like I'm not getting everything that's in there. Some of the notes are like really kind of very hidden and very subtle, sniffing it right out of the bottle, but in the shower, I'm sure those will come out a little bit more, and I'll really feel the complexity of this fragrance. You know what this reminds me of? It actually smells a little bit like tiger balm. Like it really does smell a bit like those like Chinese balms and those like green liquids. If you didn't grow up in China, you don't know, but or you might not know, I don't know. If you've ever used tiger balm, this is kind of what it smells like. It just has those like, you know, the smell of those minty kind of things that you apply on mosquito bites or sore muscles, or I guess Vapor Rub probably has a similar kind of scent. I've never smelled it, but from what I've heard of the description of Vapor Rub, it has that same sort of vibe as tiger balm. This doesn't have any mint in it, but it smells distinctly cooling in a way. So I'm very excited to find out what that's all about. I'm not sure what olibanum is, so maybe olibanum resinoid is what's giving it that coolness. But yeah, it smells cooling, smells a little bit medicinal, very pleasant, really well balanced. I think I'm really gonna like this. So this Old Blue Skies is gonna get a solid 8 out of 10. A little bit of concern about the texture. I'll have to see how that is in the shower, but overall, I think I'm gonna really, really love using this. We've got a very like distinctive color scheme going on. So far, we've only had like blues and yellows, which is very matchy-matchy, very nice. We should have one more item in here, if I'm not mistaken. And this is a surprise, which was not on the vote, and I have no idea what it is because it's a bath bomb, and so it has no description label on it. Whoa. This is a good one. This is very interesting. This has so much going on. I have no idea how to place the scent of it. It's got some herbal, it's got some floral, it's got some freshness, some coolness to it. I can't tell if it's like minty coolness or a citrusy refreshingness. Let's check the paper thingy because this is the last product, so we won't get any spoilers from looking at it. Okay, so Paper in the box. What is the product about which I talks? That was so bad. Ooh, this is called the Lakes Bath Bomb. Which lakes? The secret lakes, the magical lakes, the fantastical, amazing, delicious bath bomb lakes. Delicious? Maybe not. Ooh, Siberian fir needle oil. Okay, so I'm guessing the fir needles are what's giving it like that herbal kind of freshness to it. This is a really, really interesting scent. Very hard to place, very hard to describe. Overall, very, very pleasant though. As I said, a little bit floral, mostly very like earthy, woodsy, herbal, but not in like an overly bitter or overly medicinal kind of way. This is very well balanced and really fun. I like it. I am going to give this also I'm feeling like a 7 or 8 out of 10. I like it because it's so unique, but it doesn't like, it's not really like my favorite kind of scent, but it is very, very pleasant. So I will give it, for me personally, a 7 out of 10. But for uniqueness and ingenuity of the scent, it would get an 8. Okay, let's put that over there. So that was the box. I am really happy with this box. This is probably one of my favorite boxes we've had so far. Everything in here was just nice. There was nothing I didn't like, nothing that was straight up offensive, overpowering, annoying, or too artificial. They were all really, really nicely balanced scents. The colors even like match each other. Look, like we have blue and then like caramel, which is like an orangey browny sort of color, and then we have a yellow and we have a blue and we have a green. Like they all match so beautifully. This box was amazing. Everything got really high ratings from me as well. So this overall, I'm really, really happy with this box. As for my favorites, I think definitely Ice Blue is going to be really comforting and really soothing for my scalp. Salted Caramel, as far as lip scrubs go, this is one of my favorites that I've tried so far, but still, the taste is not as nice as I would like it to be. So I guess my top 2 favorites would probably be Ice Blue and Old Blue Skies. There's a bird and a plane outside. No Superman though. All right, so that was it for today's unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I had so much fun. I am so happy today. This was a really, really, really good box. Let me know if you guys got the box, which your favorite item was, and if you didn't get the box, what do you wish that Lush would bring into stores for you to try out? As always, if you like this video and you want to see more videos on beauty and bath products, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And if you're into wellness, lifestyle, mental health, and self-development content, then you can go ahead and follow my other channel, Hexa Angel. And all of my social media links are down below if you want to follow me on Instagram. Thank you all so much for joining me for today's video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.